We're gonna show you how to do the cutest curtain bangs at home, how to cut them and style them, so let's do it.
I've started by parting her hair in the middle so that however she wears her hair, her bangs will always be even and match. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and get my starting point. So I will bring the two sides together here in the front. And I like to start long. Okay, now in kind of an angle, so like it's a little bit of a triangle there, like how her hair naturally goes. I'm gonna section that first section. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to over direct it to the other side with some of this hair over here. And then you cut a straight line. And then as much bangs as you want is how much you're going to cut. She wanted them to start right underneath her cheekbone, so I'm actually gonna go a little shorter. So I'm trying to pull, Josie has pretty straight hair, so this a little bit of curl in her hair isn't a big deal. And I'm also cutting her hair dry so that it doesn't shrink up. Like if I were to cut it wet and then it were to dry, chances are it would shrink quite a bit. So we want to avoid that for sure. We definitely want as much control over the hair and what we're cutting as possible. I like that length. And by moving my fingers down and keeping it more vertical, I'm tapering the hair. I'm gonna point cut a little bit just to soften up these pieces. And then let's go back to her middle part, kind of see where we are. I'm gonna begin to taper a little bit more. Taking a little bit of the weight out. And then I'm flipping my fingers this way and just kind of moving my scissors down as to seamlessly blend the hair that I'm cutting.
We have our curtain bangs, they're freshly cut, so we're gonna style them. I'm so excited to have these again. I've wanted them for a while and just like not did it because I was nervous, but I'm so excited and we're gonna style them out. So I'm just going to pull this hair back and pin it out of my way. And the same thing on the other side. Making sure I'm getting all the pieces that I wanna style. Okay, so you see I have my little bits. I'm gonna take my air wrap or just any round brush, honestly. You're gonna bring them straight up And then you're going to put your round brush like this and you'll roll them back. So this is how you do it. I'm gonna do mine and I'll show you how they turn out. So I did hot first and then we did a cool shot to kind of set them. And then they will be very fluffy at first. You'll just kind of massage them a little bit and then just kind of form them into place. Usually I end up doing mine once or twice and then they'll just kind of like fall the way you want them to. Okay, I've kind of just toyed around with them a little bit and now I'm just going to spray them a tiny bit. I feel like this actually does make a difference with curtain bangs because as you can see, I have little flyaways and this just makes them hold and stay perfectly in place. You still want them a little bit tousled, but I just like to barely spray mine and just kind of smooth them on both sides. One of the other things I love about having a curtain bang, especially when it's this length, is I can part my hair on the really far side and it looks like a side bang. You can do so much with it and you just look so trendy and cute. I feel like it just adds so much to your ability to do hairstyles. Hope you guys liked our tutorial. It was so fun. I'm so excited to have bangs back. Be sure to follow us on social media, TikTok, Instagram. We're gonna be showing you more hairstyles, more ways to do cute up styles. Make sure you just follow along.